Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Where people are still questioning. Here in our studios, people using all kinds of phrases, all kinds of words to say that things were not working out. Let's just listen into some reactions, some responses from all those people who are expressing themselves now.
Grateful that the Supreme Court judgment came with a positive response for the LGBT community in support for us. So I'm really happy that we are recognized in a way from a very topmost the constitutional judgment. Joseph.
So the big story is this, that Supreme Court, led by the man who will be stepping down from his chair in less than 4 weeks' time from now, has given a judgment which is going to be held as a momentous victory for not just for those who are a part of the LGBT community, but I think for all those who believe in a certain liberal approach to India's democracy. This was a test for India's democracy. Personal liberty cannot ever be challenged in any way whatsoever by any authority in this country. And I think that Supreme Court of India has certainly delivered a judgment which will be used as a touchstone. It will be used as a cornerstone in many cases as we move ahead. There are two big judgments which have been given by the Supreme Court in the last 24 hours. The freedom to express yourself clearly in an absolutely fearless manner if you're an author. The freedom to practice the kind of sex that you wish to practice. If you're a woman and you are affectionate towards a woman, if you're a man, you're affectionate towards a man, it's a completely personal choice. No authority in this country has the right, irrespective of who that authority is, to peep into something which is such a personal and intimate part of any individual's life. Kasmi Saab, look at those scenes and then ask yourself, then don't you think you've got the story completely wrong? That maybe you should have been there, maybe you should have been complimenting these people, maybe you should put your hand on your heart today and you should say that you got this whole thing wrong. That this is completely about an individual's personal choice, sir.
No, nobody. I have been from very beginning saying that they are still allowed and nobody has prevented them. They try to show their shit on the road. So this is the very bad.
Sir.
And I think today when the Supreme Court has decriminalized it, I think we are heading towards an immoral, unethical society.
Immoral, unethical society.
Yes.
As if society is going to be impacted, as if society is going to be impacted by the percentage of people who would be thinking in terms of practicing the sex they want to. I think the kind of arguments that sometimes you all make, I think is the real danger to society. Anusha, another update coming from Anusha from the Supreme Court.
All right, Bhupendra, what the judgment that we've got so far is that the Supreme Court has read down Section 377. Now, what is the meaning of reading down a section? It means that the court has clarified that the homosexual sex, say two consenting gays or lesbians indulging in a sexual activity, is not an unnatural way of performing sex.